Shall we be able to achieve that? Yes, maybe and maybe not. But what I'm sure of is that we are just going to be able to achieve a system that mimics the brain, but not a system which acts like which is really a brain. Just a system that mimics the brain, but not entirely the brain. Another advance is general AI frameworks. That is moving beyond the narrow task we have. Right now, computers are just doing the narrow task, but they're not yet into that deep task solving or deep problem solving. This is a pivotal concept that helps machines understand and interpret complex real world scenarios. Shall we be able to have computers that are able to solve complex problems or do real world scenario of those complex problems? Yes. The question still remains, shall we be able to achieve that? Maybe yes and maybe no. Yes, but you never know. There's nothing which is impossible. Everything is possible. So these advances could potentially enable systems to reason, self-reflect, or even form internal models of self and others. But the truth is, we are not yet there. Now I'm asking myself, is human thought computational? If we can develop a computer that is able to hold a conversation indistinguishable from a human, then we can say, yes, we have computers that think. But the truth is, we are not yet there. According to David Chalmers, there are two problems of consciousness, the easy and the hard ones. The easy one deals with explaining how the brain processes information, reacts, and behaves, and this can be done by AI. This can be done by any machine or any computer. But the hard one explains why there is subjective experience, or why it feels like, or how it feels like, or what it feels like to be conscious. Can that be done by AI? And the answer is no. I strongly disagree with that. We cannot have AI that is able to feel like what it is to be conscious because they lack consciousness. So I could conclude by saying AI is currently using artificial neural networks inspired by the brain. They're artificial. They cannot do beyond what humans assign them to do. Right now, they're not able to do beyond what we tell them.